Hey, here's an oldie but a goodie. 1929 Model AA. I like to call them the big trucks. This particular one still powered by the inline four-cylinder underneath the hood, paired up with a manual transmission. Running and driving vehicle. We've had it around our shop, around the building here, parking lot up and down the frontage road. Does run and drive. This truck actually spent the majority of its life in North Dakota. Now, if you want to check out the pictures of it, you can see the engine bay, check out the interior, the bed of this truck, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Now, as far as the paint, it's got that, I would consider it a patina look, or very authentic to what an old work truck would look like. A little bit of surface rust, not rusted through, still solid metal. This is an all metal truck, but again, it's got some of that patina, some of that surface rust, a little oxidation. Great look. This would be a fun one for parades, ride in the back, throw some candy, puddle along, have a good time. All right, now show you something also on the interior here. Of course, manual transmission paired up with that inline engine. Right here is your choke, air to fuel ratio, and there is fuel filter, and then the valve right here, that is on. If it was turned this way, that is off. For future reference, if you need to know that, we're going to turn it on. It is a gravity flow, and we're going to start this up a little bit, so you can hear it run. Nice smooth runner, starts easily. Is a spare bumper, an extra bumper that will be included in this. It's in the back bed. You can see the wood bed back here and sideboards. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with the transportation. We also have technicians in our service department that do an inspection on all of our vehicles. So if you'd like to discuss the inspection on this vehicle, you can sure talk to your sales associate about it too when you call in. And again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Roof on this vehicle is also in nice shape. It has the vinyl roof, and you can see pictures of that also. See if I can show you here without getting too much glare, but yes, it is a soft vinyl roof that is in nice shape. The visor on this one. Paint on this side about the same. Like I said, kind of has that look that you'd expect in an old model AA truck. Again, a little bit of surface rust, but solid. It is all solid and metal. Check out the interior and the driver's side here. Very simple back in 29. We just had the bench seat, clutch pedal, brake pedal. Of course, one of the first vehicles that incorporated that has stayed with most of the vehicles today that's set up with the brake and the clutch pedals. Let's go ahead and start this one up so you can hear it run. Take a look at the engine bay. Turn the key on, starter switch on the floor. See how easily that started, and of course you'd have your timing, your throttle up on the steering column. Alright. Sure, and we're neutral. Slip around to the back. Sounds very similar to what a Model A would sound like. Smooth runner. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to get one of the sides of the engine bay opened up here. So give me a second. I'm going to pull that one side of the hood so you can take a look at it. Alright, probably a little more to see on this side, so I thought I'd open up the passenger side. Intake and exhaust manifold. Single down draft carb. Look at that. Look how smooth that runs. Inline 4-cylinder. Not missing a beat. There you go, looking for a cool old 1929 Ford Model AA truck. Here you go. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. That's where you can see the still pictures. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation. We look forward to hearing from you on this one.